What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are actually changing things up a little bit today. For those of you that have been following along, wow, the sun just absolutely destroyed me. For those of you that have been following along, we have been working on our boosted Civic quite a bit recently. We've actually been redoing the suspension in our more recent videos, but today I decided to change it up and do a little bit on the Subaru. So this is my 2013 Subaru WRX hatchback, and we've done a little bit to this thing. I have shown everything I've done on it on the channel, but it has been a while. So the other day I was driving this thing and the headlights started to kind of bug out. Now these are some cheaper Amazon C style headlights that we have on there now, but I like them for what they are. They're actually holding up really well and doing good. The problem is the bulbs that's in them. They started to kind of go out, it seems. So I decided to pick up some new bulbs from Auxito. Now you might see down there, those are H7s. That's not what is OEM in this car, but that's what these aftermarket headlights have in them. So we are going to be doing that. Now these are the X5 series, which is the more, I guess the brighter and more heavy duty ones. So they do have that big fan on the back of them. We have a housing on the back of these headlights. I measured, and I'm really hoping I measured good enough to where that whole fan will fit in the back of that housing. So anyway, we need to get those off. But in order to get those off, we need to take the bumper off to take our headlight out. Now, if you have OEM headlights, I don't think you need to do all this. You should just be able to reach behind there and pop the cover off and get to your headlight. But we need to take the bumper off to remove the headlights. Anyway, let me give you a very quick rundown. Let me give you a very quick rundown on the car. So we pretty much just have bolt-ons and tune on this thing. I've got a AEM fuel pump in there. We have a Process West verticooler. We have an IAG AOS, a Grimspeed boost controller, Cobb air intake, and like I said, the fuel pump. Everything else is pretty much stock. So I think we have a stage 3 tune in there from Torque Performance, had it in there for a while. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is my kind of daily. I can daily this thing if I want. That's kind of where I'm keeping it for now. And yeah, so anyway, let's go ahead and remove the front bumper. I've got these quick releases on here to where I can just drop it down, and then we will take all the headlight bolts out. I do want to show this to you guys. So in the Auxito box, you've got some gloves because you're really not supposed to touch the bulbs. And then you've also got some zip ties and some stickies, which I believe are going to be for the power pack, for lack of a better word, on the back of this. So if we pull this out, you've got this power pack for the LED, and there's the light. So the trick is going to be to fit all this in here. And looky there, it all fits. Let's make sure everything turns on before we continue here. All right, we've got power. All right, that's it. Super easy install. You may have seen me install an extra bulb in there. I happen to have some extra high beams laying around for these lights, so I went ahead and threw those in there. But let's go ahead, wait for nighttime, and do a little bit of a review on these, because they definitely seem brighter by just looking at them. So let's wait for nighttime. Oh yeah, guys, these look good. Super bright. There's our brights. There's regular. Man, these are real nice. Super happy with this.